Hey, I'm Russell from Sirhan. Welcome to 17 East 17th Street, Residence 2, an address that's easy to remember, but an apartment that's unforgettable, just steps to Union Square. A timeless renovated loft with a large, flexible living space you can tailor to your way of living. These large, oversized windows frame the city outside, and with central air and clean finishes, this loft feels calm and comfortable. This open designer kitchen is complete with a Wolf range, a Wolf oven, sub-zero refrigerator, ideal for entertaining and hosting. The primary suite is spacious, outfitted with a walk-in closet and a primary bath that has heated floors and a steam shower. If you're looking for the perfect condo at a great value in a location that offers the best quality of life, reach out to Russell and take a tour of Residence 2 at 17 East 17th Street in Union Square.